Hello everyone, today in this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add bookmark on your Safari browser, and also I'll be teaching you how you can find a bookmark. So in order to do that, you need to open your Safari browser, and then from here, as you can see, I've opened a website, Wikipedia website, and the article is parrot. I need to save this page as a bookmark. So what you need to do is press this button, and after that you just need to swipe down, and from here you need to press this button, and we are redirected to this page. From here you can also change the name, and also you can change the location. In my case, it's in my favorite location. I can change it to here, but let me keep it on my favorite. So now after doing it, just you need to save it, and yeah, this page is added on my bookmark location. So now how can I find this page? Where can I find it? So let me show you guys. So now if you want to find the same page, what you need to do is first let me show you from the beginning. You need to open your Safari, then from here you need to choose this option, and as you can see, from here we can as you can see this parrot. In my bookmark, it's on my parrot. This is the bookmark list. So if you go back, so yeah, as you can see, this was the location favorite, and when we tap here, we go down, this is the website I have bookmark. So yeah, that's how you do it.